What's going on, Chia Nation? James here, and today I'm going to show you how to put in recessed lighting, just 6-inch. Here's what the end looks like. You can't really see it, but you see how there's like these little parts that stick out further. What you do is there's arrows on here and it shows you which way you have to go up and then turn it and it locks in. So I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. Fast, simple, anyone can do it, so here we go. So like I said, here's the end. It goes right up, turn it, and there's little clips here. This is what goes in above the drywall, which holds it up. So, like so. There you go. And it's in there. When doing those, you do have to be careful because of those sides. When they go up, it's like a mouse trap. If that smacks you, it's gonna hurt really bad. So you gotta pay attention to what you're doing. And like I said, you just do the one side, then lift the other side, push it up in. Make sure the wire is not sticking out the side, because then you have to try pushing that up in, and just pay attention to what you're doing. It's quick, it's easy. So if you haven't yet, smash that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up. We got more videos coming soon. Like I said, we do renovations, concrete, we do it all. So just stay tuned, you'll never know what you're gonna see next.